Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram. We are working with equal groups with a problem related to peak 4.4e, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a concert venue. It's got a bunch of seats, and it's going to be arranged equally into 6 sections. Now, when we see that, that should give us our first clue that we are dealing with equal groups. And that's going to be important because when we have a word problem and we get some clues that we're dealing with equal groups, then that lets us know we either need to multiply or to divide. And it depends on what we have and what we're being asked to find. We need to find an equation that cannot be used to find something. So 3 of these are going to be correct. Our answer that we need to find is the one that's incorrect. So let's go back and look to see what we have. We have a total. So we've got 1,368 seats. So that is our total. Whenever we are given equal groups and the total, that means we are going to divide. Because we're going to take that, we're going to divide it into the number of groups or the number in each group. So what is the 6 sections? Is that the number of groups or the number in each group? Well, there's not 6 seats in each section. We have 6 sections. So this is going to be our number of groups. So what we're trying to find is the number of seats in each section, or we're actually trying to find the equation that cannot help us with that. But the number of seats in each section is the number in each group. And so whenever we're dealing with equal groups, we're always going to have those 3 elements. Total, the number of groups, the number in each group, and then some statement that lets us know that there are equal groups. When we have that, we're good to go. If we were given the number of groups and the number in each group, and we're looking for the total, that's multiplication. For now, we need to divide. So let's draw a strip diagram to represent this. So we have 6 sections. So I'm going to take this, cut it in half, and then cut each half into thirds. Because 2 times 3 makes 6. And then I've got my total of 1,368. And then I would just need to split this evenly into each of these. All right, so let's use long division to make sure we're doing it right. So we're going to divide 6 into 1,368. You notice I'm not going to bring that comma in there just in case I think it's a 1 and I add it or carry it. I don't want to make that mistake. So our steps for long division is does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? That's how I remember the 5 steps. And what we need to do is we need to divide, then we multiply, we subtract, then we check to make sure that our difference is smaller than our divisor, and then we bring down. So let's divide. 6 does not go into 1, but 6 does go into 13, so you go with the smallest uh, digit or digits that you can, starting from the left. 6 goes into 13 twice, so there's your divide. Now we multiply. 2 times 6 is 12, so you have to know your multiplication facts before this works. Subtract, that's going to be 1. Check, 1 is smaller than 6, so we're good. We bring down 1 digit at a time. Start all over again. 6 divides into 16. Well, 6 times 2 makes 12. 6 times 3 is 18, which is too big. So it's going to need to be another 2. So that's going to be another multiplication, making 12. We subtract, we're going to get 4. 4 is bigger, but 4 is still smaller than 6. So the check is fine. We bring down again. It's our last one. 6 goes into 48 8 times, and that's going to go in evenly. We have no remainder. All right, so our answer is going to be 228. So what did we do? We did 1,368. We divided it by 6. That's going to equal 228. So if we have equations that contain these 3 digits, they're in a fact family, right? So we could do 1,368 divided by 228. We could do that. We could do the 2 multiplication. 6 times 228 or 228 times 6 equals 1,368. And see, the one that doesn't work is C.